My name is Leander Ludik. I'm from South Africa. I'd like to apply for the spot on the H2A program in the USA. I have experience in the following equipment such as the John Deere 7090 speed seeder planter, chisel plow, Diamond Kelly Arrow, speed disc, and the ripper. I've also got experience with certain types of sprayers such as the Case 350 Patriot sprayer, the John Deere M4040 sprayer, and a bit of knowledge on the John Deere 616R sprayer. My main duties on the sprayers was spraying around the area for the dairy farmers, working out my own ratios, and mixing of chemicals. I've also got experience and knowledge of operations in our area that I've been supervising, from tilling, from baling, from mowing certain crops. And then I've also got experience in irrigation such as pivots and polypipe, servicing the pivot gearboxes, servicing of the generators. And then I've also got some experience and knowledge of certain hand tools such as the grinder and a hand drill and some welding. That's about that. Hope to hear from you guys. Thank you.